Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank y'all so much for being here. I really appreciate it as always. Today's video is going to be super duper fun. I have been super excited to share with y'all this video ever since I got this box in. So a couple of weeks ago, I got in a box from a really sweet subscriber. She is a really good friend of mine, and she is also Russian. So she traveled back home. She traveled to Russia, I want to say like a month or so ago, and she picked up lots of different things to make me a mystery box. And that was super sweet of her. So thank you so much, Alla. I really appreciate it. I originally planned on doing it last week, but last week was a hot mess. I had terrible allergies. I wasn't sure if I had like the virus or what was going on. And it just kind of like plays tricks on you, if you know what I'm talking about. So I wanted to postpone it to whenever I would feel really up to it and feel really good. So this is what the box looks like. I'm going to hide my address on here. She put it in a ColourPop address mailer, like a ColourPop box mailer. So this is like, you know, the regular ColourPop, and it's actually pretty heavy and pretty substantial. And whenever you open it up, this is what the box looks like. So as you can see, I have not toiled or messed with it at all. And this is the handwritten letter that she wrote to me. So let me just read it to you really quickly. So it says, "Hi Mandy, I had a lot of fun putting together this Russian mystery box for you. Inside each item, there's a little note with translations and or explanations for an item. I hope you'll find them helpful. You are more than welcome to do this unboxing in a video. I hope that I would love to see your reaction." I'm sorry, I'm like super excited. She said, "I am cooped up in the house for 2 weeks after my arrival. She's home now, so she's all fine. Cannot go out and buy a card, so you'll have to deal with an old-fashioned piece of paper." I actually prefer the old-fashioned piece of paper. It says, "I hope you enjoy their candy and other items. Your friend Alla." So this is super sweet. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the tissue paper. So you're going to be seeing it exactly the same time that I am seeing it. Well, I mean, I'm going to edit and stuff like that, but let's look at what we have in here. So this is what it looks like. And I just love this like cheetah tissue paper. Ooh, I see lots of goodies in here. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, it's packed full of stuff. Okay. This is awesome. So I don't know if you can tell, but we have lots and lots of candy in here. So let's really quickly go through some of these. This is I don't even know what this says. It is so cool looking. Let's like break into it and see what it tastes like really quickly. Oh, it's a candy bar. Y'all know I love candy. So this is what the candy bar looks like. It almost kind of looks like a big Kit Kat. That is good. It's really good. Very tasty. So it's got kind of like a cream center in there. It's really delicious. It's kind of like a vanilla with sort of like that cracker texture. That is really good. And then they have lots of these kind of like little, reminds me of sort of like a Rolo shape, if you know what I'm talking about, the Rolo in America. Let me just have one of these. It looks like a chocolate outer shell. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So it kind of has like a fudgy inside to it. It's really tasty. That is really good too. So I am definitely going to be sharing that candy with the rest of my family, my husband, my kids, my parents, my mother-in-law, everybody, so they can experience what Russian candy tastes like. Very tasty. It was delicious. My husband is a candy fanatic. So now let's move on to the next item in the box. Let's just take this one out. And this kind of looks like a moisturizer type of packaging. And let's see what it is. Oh, okay. So it has a little thing taped on here. And let's see what this has to say. So this says it is hand lotion with hemp oil and hyaluronic acid Personally, I love it. So this is really, really interesting. And I see actually now that she mentions it, it has like the little, like a marijuana symbol right here. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera because the packaging is so metallic, but let me see what this smells like. It smells really like botanical, very natural, and it feels fantastic on my skin. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, that smells really good. So yeah, I really, really like that. So let's move on to the next one. I'm so excited. Let's see, which one should we pick? Let's pick this little one, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And this is what the packaging looks like. So it is really, really cute packaging. Okay, so this is cream oil for lips, coconut milk, and cocoa lip balm. That is awesome. So let me go ahead and open this up. Oh, I had it upside down. And this is what it looks like. That smells good too. Dang, y'all. This is really, really nice. I love doing this. This is like so fun. So next up is this shape thing. And can you guess what this is? I have a guess. If I had to guess, I'm going to say it's a nesting doll. Look how cute. So this is a Russian nesting doll. And this is what it looks like. So, so pretty. It's real wood. Oh my gosh. And let's open it up. I love these. I actually got one for my daughter a while back and she still has it in her room. So whenever you open these up, it has like smaller and smaller pieces in here. Let me read what the little card says. It's a Russian nesting doll. And this is called Martyroska. Martyroska. I really want to learn Russian, y'all. It is such a pretty language. So you open it up and each one you can store like little things in here. My hands are slippery. I can't grab it. That hand cream is working too good. So I'm going to open up this one later on. I get my kids to help me open it up. So, so pretty. I love Russian nesting dolls. Actually, I'm going to put this right back here. So Alla, I'm going to remember you from now on with your Russian nesting doll right there. So the next item is going to be, let's see, this. Can y'all guess what this is? This is like a lot of fun. So, oh, okay. This is perfect right now. So this looks like strawberry scented Kleenex, which is really, really cool. So this is what the packaging looks like. Everything is in Russian. And even the sides of it and everything is in Russian. And then on the side, the description she wrote for me was, just for fun, including travel tissues, strawberry scented and quite rough. So let me see what these are all about because I have been going through Kleenexes like it's going out of style. So let me see. I'm going to have to use my scissors. I have to use my skizzers to get these open. Oh, it does smell like strawberries. Oh my gosh. How fun. It actually smells really nice. Oh my goodness. This is going to be good for wiping my nose. It is a little bit rough. I could see that like if I have a sore nose. This isn't something that I'm going to be using, but just for kind of touch-ups and things, if I need a napkin, this is going to go in my apocalypse purse for sure. So I'm going to put it right there so I remember to put it in my purse. So next up, we're going to go with this item. And let's see what this is. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it has a zebra on the front. It says cute girl. And then on the back of it, it has the zebra booty. And that is super, super cute. It's a wallet. Oh my gosh. So let's see what it says. Just for fun, for myself, I got one with cats on it. Super cute. Oh my gosh. So this can be really good for change or like extra stuff that I have in my purse that I just need to keep organized because your girl loves to organize stuff. So this is definitely going to go in handy. I'm just going to put it right there so that I can put it in my purse later on. So the next item, let's choose this one. So this is what it looks like. And I really actually have no idea what this is going to be. I can't really tell what it feels like. Oh, okay. Look how cute. It's like, is this soap? Uh-oh, I dropped a little thing. Hold on. Uno, momento. Okay, so this is what the explanation says. It says, something that caught my eye, thought it was cute, is called Kid Soap with marigold extract, soothing for skin irritations. That is really, really cute. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what it smells like. Because I don't recall ever having like anything that had a marigold extract in it. It actually smells kind of like, what does that smell like? It's something that maybe marshmallow. It smells really interesting. It's something that I've smelled before. Not floral, almost kind of sweet. Maybe like a cross between like a butterscotch and a marshmallow. And then the next item is going to be one of these, and this looks kind of like the hand cream shape item that we used a few minutes ago. So this says restorative night hand cream with shea butter. So that is really, really cool. So let me go ahead and open this up. And it doesn't smell anything like the other one. It smells a little bit more on the floral side. Let's see. Yeah, it smells like, kind of like oil of Olay, something like that. Maybe something that's clean, very fresh smelling. It's actually really, really nice. It smells actually very expensive. It's something that an expensive brand, maybe like Lancome or Estee Lauder, and it's very, very silky. It's like super, super enriching on the skin. It feels very, very nice. So let's go in with the second to last item, and it is in this shape right here. And we're going to go ahead and open her up. So this is super, super cute. Strawberry Bath Fizzy for kids of all ages. That actually smells really good too. So this doesn't smell as good as like the soap does. I find that this smells like very, I don't know, it's like very comforting. And this smells, it smells kind of like fresh juice, if that makes sense. And then the fizzy looks like this. So really, really cute. I'm going to give this to my daughter because she loves Bath Fizzies. And I think I'm going to keep this one for myself. So the final thing in here is shaped like this, and I have no clue what this is. I'm super excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, she included some makeup in here. Oh my gosh, it's Max Factor. Okay, I used to love Max Factor back in the day. It is so hard to get in the States nowadays. So this one says self-explanatory. Those are lashes, not wrinkles, LOL. So Max Factor 2000 calorie dramatic volume mascara. My hands are so slippery right now. Let me see if I can open it up with there it goes. Okay. Oh my gosh, it smells like old school Max Factor. Oh my goodness. You ever use something and like it brings back memories? This has the Max Factor smell. I just love that. And then this is from a brand called Stellary. And this is their classic lip liner in the shade beige. And I have never heard of this brand ever before, but I want to open it up now. So this is what the tip of it looks like. It's a really pretty natural nude color. And whenever you put it onto the skin, it's this really gorgeous color. It actually looks a lot like the color that I'm wearing right now. So let me just add a little bit of this to my lips. Oh my gosh, it matches perfectly. I'm actually super excited that this lip liner matches the lipstick that I'm wearing so well. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Seductress. And it's actually kind of a unique shade in the way that it's kind of like a nude, but like almost like a cooler tone nude. It's a little bit different than what I've seen in drugstores before. And this shade actually matches perfectly. So I am beyond excited because I like to overline my lips just a little bit as I'm getting older. This really helps, and I do like this color, but it's harder to line your lips as you get older because you get some bleeding and stuff like that. So that will really, really help. So thank you so much, Alla. I really appreciate this gift. It is so amazing that you did this. I'm so sorry that it took me so long to open it, but I know you understand why. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you are wondering about this makeup look, I did a full like get ready with me makeup quarantine routine. If you are interested in seeing that video, it's either going to be before this video or after this video. So stay tuned for that, or check it out right here. I'll leave a link in the description box or up here somewhere. Once again, thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate each and every one of y'all. Please stay safe and stay healthy, and I'll be seeing y'all very soon. Bye.